In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change narrator in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the editor, how to pick a new voice, and how to save your changes with confidence. Open your browser and head to InVideo AI. From your workspace home, choose the project you want to update. This can be an existing draft or a video you recently generated. Selecting it will open the editor, where all your creative controls live. Inside the editor, look for the Edit option and select Script. The script view is where your project's narration text is managed, and it's also where you control which voice reads that script. Think of this panel as the command center for your voiceover. Changing the narrator here updates the voice across your video's narrative. Next, click on Narrator. This brings up the available voice options. You'll see a variety of styles, accents, and tones designed for different types of projects. As you browse the list, consider your audience and the purpose of your video. For tutorials and explainers, a clear, neutral voice often improves comprehension. For promos or storytelling, you might prefer a warmer or more expressive voice that adds energy and personality. Pay attention to tone, pacing, and clarity. If your script includes technical terms or brand-specific wording, a voice with crisp articulation can make a big difference. The goal is to choose a narrator that enhances your message rather than distracts from it. Once you've found the voice that fits, click Apply. This action tells the editor to switch your project's voiceover to the new narrator. Depending on your project length, you might notice a short processing time while the change takes effect. After applying, it's a good idea to play through a portion of your video and listen for overall flow. You're checking that the narrator's pace matches the rhythm of your visuals and any background music you're using. When you're happy with the selection, click Save Changes. Saving ensures your narrator choice is preserved with the project and will carry through to future edits and exports. Think of this as locking in your creative decision so nothing gets lost as you continue working. A few quick best practices as you wrap up. Aim for consistency across related videos so your brand sounds familiar to viewers. And revisit the script panel if you update wording later, since pacing can subtly shift. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and completely in your control. Thanks for watching and happy creating.